In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Porkbun domain to Hostinger. So if you watch this right until the end, you'll know exactly what you need to do and you'll have everything set up in a couple of minutes. So first we're going to go to Hostinger. We're going to log in, and once we're in the dashboard, we'll be able to see our web hosting. So here we are in our web hosting of Hostinger. You can see I've got the business web hosting plan, which I do believe allows me to add up to 100 websites. So we're going to go ahead and click manage. And then from here, we need to go to website name. Then you need to go ahead and click add website. Now from here, you can choose who the website's for. I'm going to put myself. Then we can go ahead and go through this. Now, to be honest, you can skip through this. So I'm just going to install WordPress, and everything else I'm going to skip. So I'll enter in a password here. We'll go ahead and click next, and this you can go ahead and customize inside of WordPress when you've connected your domain, so it isn't really necessary. I'll just choose blog and we'll skip everything else. We'll skip all of these plugins, we'll skip the AI content, and the important bit you need to get to is this here, and it's going to ask what domain or subdomain would you like to use. Now go to Porkbun, and you've obviously bought a domain, so go ahead and sign in and go to that domain. So here we are on Porkbun. Now it should take you to domain management by default. If not, go to account and then domain management. Here you see your domain that you can add. I'm going to go ahead and just copy it from Porkbun, and we can then go to Hostinger. You can type www. and then paste in your domain. KnowledgeBaseTutorial.com is my domain, and it should then appear here that it's registered with another provider. You can click on this. Okay, so when using a domain that's registered elsewhere, you'll need to manually connect it to your website, so that's fine. We can then go ahead and click next. So now it's going to install WordPress, and after this is done, we can then connect our domain. So it's fairly easy stuff. Okay, so now WordPress has been installed, we want to look to the domain section, then go ahead and click on connect, and then it should open up a new window where it's going to say, let's connect to your domain. So choose the provider. Now it's probably not there, so no it isn't. So we're going to go ahead and click other, then let's start. Now all you need to do is change the name servers from the default Porkbun name servers to the Hostinger ones. So we'll go to Porkbun, and then you want to go and hover over your domain and click NS. That stands for name servers. And here are the default ones that we just need to delete. So delete all of them. Then head over to Hostinger, copy the first name server and paste it in. Copy the second one and paste it in. Make sure that you click enter and you put one name server on one line. Once you've done that, click submit, and that should go through. Now, I don't know if you caught that message, but it says it can take up to 48 hours to propagate. So that's fine, but just know that in advance. But once you've added these name servers, you can then click continue, and it's going to say your domain connection is in progress. You can then click all done or just exit out of this. Now we can try and see if this is working. So if you go to your URL and you just go to your URL, it might work. So there we go, it's working straight away. And that's pretty much how you can connect your domain. Now don't fret if it doesn't work or there's some issue with like SSL straight away. You just need to give it 48 hours for everything to just propagate, and that's how you do it. So I hope that quick video helped you out.